for the suspect but were unable to locate him. A short time later, officers were notified the suspect had returned to the area. Officers located the individual, identified as Albert Benson, near the 500 block of North Council Road. Benson was still armed with a large machete and was yelling for officers to kill him and began running back towards the original victim's location. Officers attempted to de-escalate the situation and gave repeated commands for Benson to drop the weapon. He refused. Due to the earlier violent assault, officers deployed 2 tasers and a 40mm less lethal impact round in an attempt to disarm him. These efforts were unsuccessful, and Benson charged the officers with the machete. As he closed the distance, officers discharged their firearms, striking him.
Someone grab their 40. Hey! Drop it! Just drop the machete! Just drop the machete! Drop the machete! Drop the machete! Dion, you're okay! Drop the machete! Dion! Hey, I just need you to drop the machete, man. We're just gonna talk. Hey, we just need to talk. Dion, hey, just relax, man. Can we make sure the street's blocked off? Hey, Dion! Dion! Hey, man, I need you to hang out. Dion, just hang out and talk to me. Dion! He's got a heavy coat. Hey, drop it!
Drop it!
Hey, Dion, we just need to talk.
Stop! Stop!
Hey, just relax, Dion. Hey, switch.
Yep. Hey, son, if you want to go, watch.
Dion, just relax. Just relax. Dion, we just need to talk. Drop the machete, man. Drop the machete.
Benson was transported to a local hospital